Yes, today is June 1st, 2020, and here we are back at our beautiful historical home here in downtown Phoenix, Arizona, where we just finished, over the weekend we finished sanding, staining, and refinishing these beautiful wood floors. Just want to do a quick walkthrough. We did sand and stain them, and they turned out just amazing. You can see it's the light is hitting it, so you can't really tell the true color. But they did turn out beautiful, just like this home. Now, previously they were lighter stain, and we came in, we sanded them. This took a little extra work since it had a border. We couldn't get our machines in, so it all had to be palm sanded around the edges. The drum sander could not go across the wood. So same thing with this little front hallway entry, diagonal, so all had to be palm sanded with the edger. Overall it came out just the way we expected it. Here's the other office area, and we did leave the tape on there for now, maybe another few days. Let's go upstairs and see how everything else turned out, shall we? You see, nice, clean, no swirl marks. We did have to sand it, and then right before we buffed it, we had to wash it. Washing it, so popping the grain of the wood. That made the stain come down into the wood a bit richer, a little bit thicker. You can see this is a very, very nice historical home. We love downtown Phoenix just for the simple fact that majority of the homes here have real wood floors, solid wood floors. They've been around from the 1910, 1920s, and so if anybody wants to go green and says, oh, we're going green, it's all solid wood floors. They could be sanded, stained, refinished, and it's not like a carpet that gets worn out and has to be replaced. It's not like tile or it goes out of style. It's pretty much there as long as you own your home. As long as it's sanded and refinished it correctly, it lasts a lifetime. So this is the pine floor, and we did have to do a cut all the way across. Put a border. Originally we were going to take out the carpet that was in here, and we were really lucky to find this beautiful pine floor. Underneath the carpet, the homeowner decided let's keep it, which is great that they decided to do that. It saved them thousands of dollars, and you can see it is a big, beautiful backyard. Very, very nice, very tropical. There is a koya pond back there, and a little gazebo here. You can see downtown Phoenix is just an amazing place. Oh, let's go back to the wood floors. That's what we're focusing on, not anything else. So yes, the pine floor, it was in great condition. It was very, very well preserved since it had carpet on it for a long time. There it is. That's a beautiful, that's what makes pine floor amazing. All the different colors it has that come out once it's stained. And that's normal, copper pipes. Probably it had old galvanized pipes, and instead of drilling through, well, it's pretty much concrete block, so it would have been tough to drill through. There's the backyard. Yes, it is a beautiful backyard. Let's go ahead and see this pine floor. You can see, just awesome and amazing. That just adds character. That's where the tack strips were from the carpet. Give us a call.